The biggest tree on Earth is called General Sherman, and it's a really huge sequoia. It's more than 2,000 years old and is as tall as the Statue of Liberty or Big Ben. It's also 18 times heavier than a blue whale. The first photo ever was taken in 1826, and it took 8 hours to make. The temperature inside a beehive is like the temperature of a healthy human body. When it gets hotter, bees move around in the hive and flap their wings to cool it down. Bubble wrap was supposed to be bumpy wallpaper. It was made by sticking 2 shower curtains together. The little hole at the bottom of your padlock lets water out if it's in the rain. Even though we think of croissants as French, they actually came from Vienna, Austria, and only came to France in the 1830s. The biggest pyramid in the world is not in Egypt, but in Puebla, Mexico. Most people check their phone every 6 minutes, about 150 times a day. A glass of water has more tiny things in it than all the glasses of water in the oceans. An ear of corn always has an even number of rows, usually 16, with about 800 little pieces on it. You can really smell rain. It's like a mix of plant oils, bacteria, and ozone. Water gets bigger by 9% when it becomes ice. Ice is lighter than water, so it floats. The barcode was made in America in 1951 by 2 guys named Norman Joseph Woodland and Bernard Silver. Did you know that 25% of an adult's bones are in their feet? Your stomach gets a new layer every 3 to 4 days to stop it from digesting itself. Your brain has more than 86 billion nerve cells and 100 trillion connections, way more than the stars in our galaxy. When your brain talks to your body, the signals go really fast, up to 270 miles per hour. That's much faster than a sports car. People spend more than 4 years of their lives eating. The muscles that make your eyes blink are the fastest in your body. You blink more than 15,000 times in a day. If you don't have trouble sleeping, you'll spend about 1/3 of your life asleep. Your skeleton changes completely every 10 years. Your skin wrinkles if you stay in the water for a long time, but not because it soaks up water. It's more like the tread on your car tires getting better grip. Your brain uses more than 20% of your body's energy, even when you're not doing anything. It's almost the same when you're asleep, and it burns about 330 calories per day at that time. Iceland grows by 2 inches every year because it's between 2 big pieces of the earth that are moving apart. Humans are the only animals with chins. Other animals may walk on 2 legs or have a jaw like us, but they don't have that little bone in the middle of the lower jaw. We cry when we cut onions because it releases stuff that makes our eyes hurt. The tear glands make tears to wash away the hurting stuff. Have you noticed that you're less hungry when it's hot outside? That's because our body is already working hard to keep us cool, so it doesn't need extra heat from digesting a big lunch. At a specific level of heat and pressure, frozen liquid can turn into a boiling state, and liquid that's boiling can become frozen. This occurrence is known as a triple point. In the case of water, this happens a bit above 32 degrees Fahrenheit and under 611 pascals of pressure. Certain penguins express their intentions to potential mates by offering them what they believe is a flawless pebble. Relative to their body size, Chihuahuas possess the largest brain among dogs. A condition known as situs inversus affects 1 person in every 10,000. This condition involves the reversal or mirroring of an internal organ from its usual position. In most instances, it's a complete reversal from right to left of all abdominal organs. When you acquire new knowledge, your brain alters its structure, forming fresh connections between neurons. This process enhances your ability to link information more rapidly. Squirrels contribute to tree planting unintentionally. They do this when they forget the locations where they've hidden their acorns and nuts, resulting in the unintentional planting of millions of trees each year. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance, particularly as pollinators, aiding in the growth of flora worldwide. Octopuses are widely recognized for their remarkable problem-solving skills, showing an unprecedented level of cognitive complexity among invertebrates. Elephants, by dispersing seeds through their dung, help in propagating plant life, truly acting as nature's indispensable gardeners. The human pupil can expand up to 50 times its original size in low light conditions. This is due to the pupil's ability to dilate or contract to regulate the amount of light entering the eye. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious. Please subscribe.